Many things have happened in the past. There were, of course, good times and bad times. But as we look back and try to reminisce all the things that have happened to us while we were in Capitol, we will always remember that CMC taught us a lot. CMC cradled us a lot. And definitely, CMC loves us all.
Within the vibrant heart of Capitol Medical Center glows a story defined by dedication, vision, and unwavering commitment.
My mom has always been the force behind everything.
Passionate siya sa kanyang ginagawa. Hands-on siya.
It was so amazing to see her work.
Mabubuti kayo at mahusay magtrabaho. May malasakit kayo sa ating ginagawa. Masisipag, may sariling kusa.
She didn't just build a hospital. She cultivated a luminous legacy.
Here I am, very happy, privileged.
Her influence on Philippine healthcare is undeniable, but it's the personal touch to her patients and colleagues that truly defines her remarkable legacy.
The things I remember about Dr. Clemente, maalaga siya sa staff niya. She's very patient, she's very nurturing. She was really that very helpful.
She was very prompt or punctual. This hospital was run like a machine.
Nakita kong ang importansya ng lahat na kayo ay nandoon at nagtulong-tulong upang itaguyod ang Capitol Medical Center.
Invest your time, susuportahan ka niya. You do your part. Sure-footed si Doktore. Pag plano niya, tinutuloy niya.
Flexible and versatile and powerful position. She had practically fingertip control of the running of this hospital. Very dedicated and committed to the success of Capitol Medical Center.
From the loving way Dr. Thelma nurtured her children to their steadfast support, her uplifting influence radiated through every corner of Capitol Medical Center.
The big difference that we saw was that she would always make rounds.
O basta siya, aware siya sa lahat ng nangyayari. Pag mayroong konting gusot doon, malalaman na niya, bukas, ayos na yan. Immediate.
She works 24/7. When she's at home, she actually requires the hospital to call her every hour. Extremely hardworking person.
She was the one who cultivated in us the family working harmoniously. We enjoyed and had fun.
Through the years, Dr. Clemente has been my mentor. She has been like my mother who guides me through the challenges of developing the transplant program.
Dr. Clemente wasn't merely a founder. She was the driving force, a visionary leader who shaped the hospital's identity. She wasn't content with simply establishing a medical facility. She envisioned a place where compassion and cutting-edge medicine intertwine.
If not for her hands-on management, this hospital would not have grown as big as it is.
Her leadership wasn't about wielding authority. It was about inspiring collaboration.
Patients always tell me, ay, naaalala ko po si Doktora, and then they tell me stories. It really warms my heart. And I know that her legacy is not just the hospital, but really how she made people feel and the way she treated them and what they became.
She empowered doctors, inspired employees, and touched countless lives with exceptional care, both within these welcoming walls and beyond.
I would say she has a hands-on form of managing the hospital. And she was personally involved because even at night, you can call her up, especially if there are bigger problems like in the ER.
Yung dedication and compassion, passionate siya sa kanyang ginagawa. Oo, yung magba-birthday siya sa bahay, pero wala siya. Kasi nagpapaanak siya. Hindi, totoo yun. May party yun sa bahay, na birthday party yun, dami niyang bisita. Kasi, saan mami mo? Nagpapaanak ko eh.
Even if she was sick, she would go to work. So there's actually no excuse whatsoever.
Dahil tayo lahat ay naniniwalang lahat ng ating ari sa buhay ay galing sa Diyos. Ang dapat nating ibalik sa Kanya ang ating magandang trabaho.
We can appreciate how hard she worked for all of us to have a job.
Dr. Thelma's journey is the very foundation upon which Capital Medical Center flourishes the strong roots of a thriving plant. Her challenges transformed into triumphs, failures into invaluable lessons.
Magandang layunin ang inyong sinusundo at mahusay kayong makisama. Matulungin, maalaala sa kapwa, malinis, masinop at madasalin.
These are the nourishing elements that have nurtured this institution, shaping it into the radiant beacon of hope it is today.
Magaling ka dapat. Saka hindi pwedeng wardi-wardi sa kanya. Saka high standard pa rin. Ay, ano dito, from lahat ng institution dito represented. You get the best of all worlds.
As we joyfully reflect on her remarkable life, let us draw inspiration from her resilience and unwavering spirit.
Pag nagtrabaho yun, there is no such thing na half-hearted work. Laging, pag may tinanggap yun na trabaho, talaga she'll give it her full, her best, nothing short of being perfect.
A true testament to Dr. Thelma's dedication. Today, as Mount Grace Hospitals Incorporated eagerly joins the Capital Medical Center family, we envision a collaboration that amplifies Dr. Thelma's incredible work.
I know the event tonight is something special. It's called the Jasmine Awards. Tinanong ko bakit Jasmine. Apparently, yun ang favorite flower ni Dr. Clemente. And I think that's a very good symbolism. By using Jasmine as the title of the award, we are implicitly carrying on the tradition. The tradition of caring, the tradition of excellence, the tradition of compassionate care that Dr. Clemente has always been espousing.
Mount Grace sees its role as contributing to Capital Medical Center's continued growth and success, enhancing its cherished family feel, and propelling it forward with the latest innovations in patient care and sustainable business growth.
I am very thankful to the original founders of the Capital Medical Center.
Tuwa din ng mga doktor with Mount Grace, and I hope tuloy-tuloy ang partnership for the good of the hospital and for the good care right here.
Together, with hopeful hearts, we will boldly champion Dr. Thelma's incredible legacy, guaranteeing that Capital Medical Center delivers right care. Right here, a promise we are committed to upholding for generations to come.
Continue kayong gumawa ng mahusay at tayo'y pagpapalain
palagi ng may kapal. Salamat sa inyong lahat.